Hello friends, welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. In the last session, we'll learn about what is MDMT and why MDMT calculations are performed. What are the things we must know to perform the MDMT calculation? So in this session, we'll try to advance this topic little bit. But before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you, but it will give me a lot of motivation to create such useful videos for you. Also click on the bell icon to get the latest update from our channel. Thank you. So guys, as we know, the clause UCS 66 is to be used to perform MDMT calculation. So there is one question, do we directly need to go for the clause UCS 66 to perform MDMT calculations? So please pause the video for some time and put your answer in the comment box. So the answer is obviously not. So what is the first case? Let's see. So while performing MDMT calculation, first we need to check whether we can get the exemption over impact testing using clause UG20F or not. Now the question might be in your mind that what is that impact testing? So by using impact testing procedures such as CHARP impact test and ISO impact test, what we have learned during our engineering, we do check how much energy is absorbed by the specimen and by that experiment up to which lower temperature limit our material can withstand. So that will be another topic to explain here. Hopefully I will create another video to explain the same thing, but now just understand why we perform impact testing. And after that, if you don't get the exemption by using clause UG20F, which is mentioned in ASME section at division 1, then we have to go to clause UCS 6. Now let's understand clause UG20F. So let's go. What clause UG20F tells us? The material shall be from P number 1 and group number 1 or 2. If you want to know in which group your material is present, just go to the ASME section 2 part D, table 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, etc. In that, in front of material, you will get your P number and group number of material. Alternatively, you can go to ASME section 9, table QW or QB 422, where in one table you will get P number 1 and group number for all materials. So I hope guys you have understood the first point. Now let's see the second point. The thickness which is defined in UCS 66A and note 1 in the figure UCS 66 shall not be more than 13 mm for curve A of figure UCS 66M. So for here you have to go to figure UCS 66M. In that you just check in which curve your material is falls, and not more than 25 mm for curve B, C, D of figure UCS 66M. So guys, here I would like to note one important point, that thickness will not be as simple as thickness of shell or thickness of head. To understand the concept of governing thickness, please go through the clause UCS 66A and note 1 from UCS 66.2. Also check the figure UCS 66.3, where you will get the different figures to understand the governing thickness. If possible, I will try to make another video on the same topic. So this is all about second point. Vessels shall be hydrostatically and pneumatically tested as per guidelines provided in ASME section 8 division 1, which is generally the case in every equipment. Next important point is temperature shall not exceed 345 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature shall not be less than -29 degrees Celsius. So guys, please note your design temperature shall not be more than 345 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature, or MDMT you can say, shall not be less than -29. Also the thermal and mechanical shocks shall not control the design requirement, and cyclic loading shall not control the design requirement. So guys, this is all about the clause UG20F. I hope you got clear idea about the clause UG20F. Now let's think, what if we don't get exemption for impact testing by using UG20F. So guys, this is all about today's session, and I will request you to share my videos with your friends and colleagues, so that will give me a great motivation to create such useful videos for you. Thank you.